Last year alone, YouTube paid its creators more than $30 billion, and the amount is increasing by 50%. There are over 2 billion people who watches YouTube every month, and companies are paying hundreds of billions of dollars to advertise on YouTube. The best part is that YouTube gives you 55% of that profit, so YouTube automation is one of the best way to make a lot of money this year. With YouTube automation, you don't need to make, edit or upload videos by yourself. I have 9 YouTube automation channels that make me over $500,000 passively with a team of freelancers running them. One of my clients, Sophia, has earned over $175,000 in passive income from his YouTube automation channel. I will show you step by step how you can get started with this easy way to make money online. Hey, welcome back, this is SD. But before we start our step-by-step guide to YouTube automation, be sure to click the subscribe button and tap bell icon for all notification. And give that thumbs up button a solid hit for YouTube algorithm to see if we can get 500 likes in this video. Let me show you an example of a YouTube automation channel called Price Sleep Music for Deep Sleeping. It's a faceless YouTube automation channel that shares music that people can listen to relax or even can fall asleep to. While this channel may get a lot of views, it's not a good example to follow if you are just starting out with YouTube automation. Number 1, the channel is highly competitive, so it may be difficult for you to stand out. Number 2, there are risk of getting copyright claims for the musics, which could result in your channel being taken down. Number 3, these types of channels typically earns a very few dollars for every 1,000 views. So it may not be the most profitable niche to pursue. The channel I am about to show you is a great example to follow, and it's getting about $40 per 1,000 views. It's called The Swedish Investor, and it focuses on finance, money and investing in stock market. This niche has a high CPM or cost per 1,000 views. Now, I know this channel makes about $40 per 1,000 views because I have channel in the same niche. And you can verify it by looking on the successful channels like Graham Stephen, who makes about $3 to $4 million per year from his finance and stock market news channel. Now, we have finished the first step. We need to choose a successful niche, and general finance news or stock market news are a good choice. The next step is to decide which videos to follow and how to make your own video to go viral on YouTube in this particular niche. I will guide you on how to get a video made for you and what type of video you should start making. We can use socialblade.com to estimate how much other channels are making. Although it may not be accurate, but it can give us an idea. According to Social Blade, this channel started about 6 to 7 years ago and making around $2,500 per month. But we know this estimate is way off since the default CPM range on Social Blade is 25 cents to $4 per 1,000 views, while this channel is making $40 per 1,000 views. So we can safely multiply their estimated earnings by 10, which means they are making about $20,000 per month or about $25,000 per year. They get anywhere from 42,000 to 45,000 views every single day. We are now going to visit the channel and look for the videos that we can use as model to create our own content. This way, we don't have to make videos from scratch. The first step is to check out for the most popular videos from the past few months. The channel doesn't upload videos frequently, so it's a great niche to enter as the competition is low. By uploading 3 to 4 times a week, you can easily tap into this niche. For example, one of their most popular videos, titled Warren Buffett 12 Mistakes That Every Investor Makes, has 376,000 views. They are taking advantage of Warren Buffett's name to attract viewers. I found a video with 500,000 views uploaded 9 months ago that caught my attention. Improve your finance by 3,495%. Atomic Habits by James Clear. It's actually a book review that talks about finances and capitalize on the search term Atomic Habits summary. This video is perfect for us to model, as they discuss on the topics such as compound interest and the aggregation of marginal gains. We can easily pull out the script from this video and use it as a guide for our own content. With that being said, we will go to step number 3. First, we will going to get the transcript. To get the transcript, we will use a tool called SuvoAI. Just type in suvoai.com or suvo.ai in your browser, and after creating an account, click on Dashboard. Then go to AI Text to Speech, drag and drop your audio file right here. You can leave these optional fields empty, then click on transcribe, and within a few minutes your transcribe will be ready in front of you. Now you might need to format a few text and punctuation correctly, but it still be a time saver, as if you had to write the entire script by yourself, then it could easily cost you a few hours for sure. Now the next step is to write the transcript in your own words to ensure it's original and not copyrighted. Now Shubh.ai's content rewriter tool is a game changer for anyone who wants to create unique, high quality content in a shorter time span. Whether you are a blogger, content marketer, or a copywriter, this tool can help you to enhance your content and make it stand out from the crowded digital space. This content rewriter tool from Shubh.ai is very flexible and lets you to use the same content on many different channels and platforms. You can quickly turn your blog post into a social media post, an email newsletter, or even a video script. This feature makes it easy to reach your audience on multiple platforms and expand your content's reach. To use the content rewriter tool, first you need to log into shubhai.com. After you log in, click on content rewriter tool. Then select the language. Next, paste the script that you want to rewrite. Then select the creativity level, which is either low, average, or medium. Select the tone you prefer, like casual, funny, exciting, professional, etc. You can choose the number of results you want. Then you can enter the maximum result length. Remember, the maximum allowed length is about 1500 words. After you input everything, you can click on generate text. And the result, a completely unique and engaging piece of content that still retains the original meaning and quite similar to the original article. Plus, because the tool uses advanced AI algorithms, you can trust the rewritten content is not only unique but also high quality and tailored to your target audience. So Shubh.ai's content rewriter tool is a valuable asset for any content creators who want to save time and effort while still creating unique and high quality content. So now we have our own script. And now we have to go to step number 4, which is getting a perfect voiceover for our script. Obviously, we don't want to read it by ourselves. That would technically not be automation because you are doing it yourself. Now you could if you are just getting started and you don't have much capital, or you want to just to do the voiceover by yourself, that's totally fine. But I know creating voiceover for YouTube videos can be time consuming and frustrating, especially if you are not a trained voiceover artist. So I am going to show you how to create a professional voiceover at the lowest cost. If you are tired of spending hours recording and editing voiceover for your YouTube videos, speaktts.com is the solution you have been looking for. This AI text-to-speech tool can generate professional quality voiceover in a matter of minutes, saving you a lot of time and effort while still delivering high quality results. Now the big question is how to use speaktts.com. First, you need to log in to speaktts.com. After you log in, all you have to do is to copy and paste the script into the text box. Each text box has a limit of 3000 characters. After that, you can select the language and the AI voice depending on your script and your audience. The first step is to choose the right voice for your audio. The library includes 850 realistic voices across 135 languages and dialects. Select the AI voiceover artist that you prefer the most. Adding special effects is also very easy. You can add emphasis, reduced, moderate, and strong. You can also choose the volume, such as soft, medium, loud, and many more. You can also pick a speed for your script, like slow, medium, or fast. Now click on the synthesize button, which will render your voiceover instantly. So all we need to do is to download them by clicking on this download button right here. Let's move on to step number 5. Which involves creating the video by compiling clips, images, and stock footages to complement the voiceover. To do this, we will head over to wishtoddo.com and search for a video editor with a budget of $30 or less per video. Although the industry standard for video production is around $70 to $100 per video, we aim to provide our clients with videos at a lower cost, around $47 per video. And we use Wishtoddo to get the work done within our budget. So once you've chosen an editor, all you need to do is to just wait, and within a certain time you will receive a finished product that is ready to upload. Finally, it's important to create a catchy thumbnail for your video. A thumbnail is crucial because it significantly impacts the number of clicks and views your video receives. Wish2Do is a great platform to hire someone to create clickable thumbnail, since you can get the best quality freelancers at the lowest possible price. Ideally, you want a high click-through rate of at least 7 to 10%, which is considered good, and anything above 10% is exceptional. Once you have your thumbnail created, you can publish your video to your channel with appropriate thumbnail to attract viewers and increase engagement. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you have enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to click on the notification bell for more updates. Now, getting monetization on YouTube may take a lot of time, but there are many creators who are making thousands of dollars with just a single video. So check out the video right here to start earning right away with just a single YouTube video. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.